You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast, brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
So let's talk about Hubbard-Hall for a bit. How are you all doing things a little differently? Adapting to the changing demands that a lot of shops may be asking for. How are you all adapting to that?
Consolidation, they see people pulling back, but we're actually doing just the opposite. While others are pulling back, we're investing, but it may look different to the customer in that, currently, and we're not cutting back, 32% of Hubbard-Hall's employees are either tech service or sales. And we don't see that, changing. But how we interact with our customers, this is where we're investing in. So it could be different, where they may have had a tech person or a salesperson coming in weekly. Well, we're challenging that, not to give you less, but our customers are all saying, we want you to be more responsive, faster. Well, now we're looking at, digital tools. We're looking at working on a Hubbard-Hall AI knowledge base that would be available 24/7, and you'll get, and frankly, the best answer, more consistent answers, where depending upon very often who you spoke to at Hubbard-Hall, you may have gotten 3 good answers, but they were different and it left you confused. Well, now we'll be more consistent in our reply and quicker. We're not eliminating the human, but you'd get immediate results based on your history, and the people are still there if you need a deeper dive.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.